Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the door panel, or if you just need to remove it to work on something on a Mercedes W163, which is the ML. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like, guys. We upload about a new video every day. We have many videos for that 163 on our channel. Check the playlist. Okay, what do we need to do first? Right here with a flathead screwdriver we need to pry that door cap open. Just be careful. Okay, like that. That's where the clips are. One here, one on the top. And we need to remove that SRS airbag cover off too. You can see it's a little bitty one, but there is a bolt underneath it. So now with a Phillips screwdriver there is one bolt that we need to remove on the top right there. And after that, those are usually pretty easy to get. And there is one more on the bottom that we need to remove as well, right here. After that we need to remove that bolt right here. It's a screw actually with a Phillips screwdriver again. So altogether we have 3 screws right now, and just pull it out of there. If you use the one with the magnet, it's easy, so it sticks to it. Now we need to remove the cover for the window, so you need to pull on the top and then pull up, okay, because that clip goes down, so you remove this one out of the way. Okay, now we need to start on the side, and with a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool you need to get the clips out of the way. If you pry the door a little bit, just be careful, you need to put pressure on the clip, not on the door panel. So once we remove the door panel, I'm going to show you where exactly the clips are, guys. Stay with us so you don't damage your door panel, because that's a very weak spot on W163, those MLs. And after that you're going to have a loose door panel that will rattle and move all the time. So stay and see where exactly the clips are, okay? And what you need to do next, you need to pull up like that, and it comes out of the groove. And now we need to unhook the latching, the door latch right there. So what you need to do, pull back, pull it out of the groove, and this one out of the hole. And now we have the light on the bottom. This is the 2000 model, guys, so it'll be the same from 2000 until 2005. We have the video for the 98 and 99 models as well. Okay guys, so this is the door panel, and now let us show you where exactly the clips are. Okay, as you can see, there is one here, one right here that's still stuck on the door, here on the bottom, and this is towards the back side. And as you can see, this one is broken. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.